We have a lot of aloha on the West Coast. You know, everybody looking from the outside has seen struggle, and we see people who want to prosper. You got it.
So if you ask me, are students resilient here? Yes, I see their strengths to be pride, being proud from where they're from and representing the West Side.
It doesn't matter if you're from Makaha, Maili, Nanakuli, we're just one big family. We care, love, and support each other.
We are so much better together. We are so much stronger united. From Nanakuli, Maili, Waianae, Makaha, Makua, we've only done great things. I always talk about a house united can never be divided, and we are that house.